you ready to throw your CRM out the window? Tired of spending hours, days, and months researching company contacts, one database, one company, one person, or one record at a time? Hoping to find someone who can introduce you to a board member or key decision maker you need to know? Spending most of your time entering contact information in a database rather than attending critical business meetings? Don't know if executives at your company may have a relationship with your prospect, customers, or partners? Or getting blindsided by competitors who have better relationships with your customers or prospects than you do? I don't know about you, but I've used several CRMs during my lifetime, and not a single one of them helped me develop an executive relationship or win any business. Hello, I'm Nancy Hopkins. Some of you may have heard of me or worked with me at EDS, IBM, or HP when I served in corporate strategy, competitive intelligence, business intelligence, sales and marketing leadership roles. I'm the creator of the first IBM War Room in Armonk, New York, the IBM Global Business Intelligence Network, the IBM MarketView, and IBM.com, while serving the CEO, corporate headquarters, board of directors, worldwide executive council, and IBM division presidents across the globe. Today I have a new invention, VIZMATRIX, a unique, next-generation, game-changing, disruptive application that will put every CRM company on their heels. Some of my customers have described VIZMATRIX as LinkedIn on steroids and an interactive strategy development front end that every CRM is missing. So let's get started. I've already entered IBM as my first company. You can click on any person's name or company name in any of these boxes. For example, if I click on Jenny Rimetti, you'll see her mini bio, name, titles, current and former employers, current and former board members, universities attended, contact information, and compensation information if we have it. If you click on IBM, you'll get an aggregated view of the board of directors, mini bios, or from the drop down, you can look at the rest of the executive team or employees' mini bios in an aggregated view. Now enter a prospect's name. For example, American Express. Colored text and lines indicate a relationship exists between one or more people affiliated with these two companies. You may wish to recruit one of these people from your company to introduce you to identified key decision makers at your prospect site. Now enter a customer name, competitor name, and potential partner name. For example, MasterCard, competitor, possibly Dell. And maybe we want to partner with, for example, Microsoft. More colored lines and text appear. You'll want to check each of these to see who VIZMATRIX has identified. You may find that one or more people serves on multiple boards of these companies, or they previously worked for many of these companies. And each of them can introduce you to many more board members, executives, and key influencers across all industries. They may also have past knowledge of your competitors' solutions and pricing strategies. This cross-industry executive knowledge may give you a significant competitive advantage. Control F is your friend. For example, if I'm looking for Maria Claw, I see that she's a former officer at IBM, and she's also serves on the board at Microsoft, which is very helpful. Even though she's no longer working at IBM, you're going to maintain relationships with your former IBM friends and alumni so that you can leverage relationships like this in the future. You can also go to End on any of these boxes, and you'll see competitors' names of each of the companies in the boxes as possible hints. And you'll also see the agents, auditors, attorneys, and bankers' names. And in this case, you have Pricewaterhouse as the analyst firm or the auditor firm for IBM and for American Express. Allow pop-up so you can use Control-P to print any screen, and use your print screen button and Control-V to paste a screenshot in a slide deck or document. If you wish to run another assimilation, simply select another company's name in the search window of any box. For example, You might put HP here, or let's say we'll replace Microsoft with Oracle, MasterCard with Citibank, American Express with Goldman Sachs. Many different scenarios that you can run. You can also see how many relationships your competitors have with your prospects, customers, and partners, something you need to be aware of. And select a partner with many relationships before your competitor does. You can also run new simulations from the main dashboard. Pick any company name, simply typing in a few letters. It'll take you to the 5-card view where you can select other company names. You can pick companies by industry. Let's go with direct life insurance companies. It too will take you to the 5-card view. You can select any insurance company from the drop-down, or you may want to put insurance companies in all 5 cards, ignoring the card headers to see what relationships exist between 5 companies at a time. Or put your company in the company card and 4 companies from a single industry to see what your relationships are with, for example, 4 insurance companies. Or put your competitor's name in the company card and see what their relationships are with 4 of your prospects at one time. You can also select companies by geography by typing in France, for example. It'll take you to the 5-card view, and in the drop-down, you'll see companies that are located in France, and you can place those in the card as well. Or select an agent, attorney, auditor, or banker name to view their customers' names. Yes, their customers' names. For example, if your company's auditor is KPMG, you might want to recruit that person to help you get into some other KPMG customer sites. If you scroll down the list, go to the bottom, go to the bottom of this card, you'll see KPMG. You can also do a combined search, for example. Look for CEOs that graduated from Harvard. To invite to Augusta with your CEO who also graduated from Harvard. Pick any company on the drop-down. It'll pull up the CEO's name, title, universities attended, including Harvard. This will be your CEOs or your invitation list for that particular event or any event. So again, pick any company name by selecting any letter to get started. Today, VIZMATRIX contains Fortune 500, Global 2000, public and private companies, small, medium, and large companies, prospects, partners, competitors, and many of their agents, auditors, law firms, and bankers, plus over 100,000 board of directors, executives, and employees in 550 industry segments in 60 countries. If you don't find the company you're looking for, shoot us an email. Our team will work diligently to add that company to our database. You can create your own virtual sales team, an army of people around every opportunity. Ready to get started? Next move is yours. The new introductory offer is $9.99 a month per user. Click on the Sign In tab at the top of VIZMATRIX.com to create a new account. Welcome to VIZMATRIX. Enjoy the journey.